Hi guys, today I will show you how to make a rocket with the help of air pump. So let's start. The things required are, first we will be needing a pump, nozzle like this to make the rocket, and after that we will be needing a PVC pipe, and after that we will be going to fix this tube inside that. Okay, and after that sticking the tape here so the air cannot come from there. Okay, so after making this, it will be looking like this now. Okay. After this, we will be needing one bottle. I have wrapped this with this sheet, and we don't need a cap, so you can remove that. And after that, we can also use that launcher. If you are alone, you can also use this launcher in this way, like this. This is a launcher. You can use this. And after that, if you want, you can use parachute also for the safe landing. But now I'm not using it. So leave it. So first, we will be doing one launch, and after that I will be showing you science behind it. So let's start. First we have to fill this water up to 1/4, not more than that, up to 1/4 only. Okay. After that, the we need pump and this. First we have to fix the pump in this nozzle tightly. After that, we have to put the PVC pipe here. Go back and start that. After that, start pumping. Pressure is increasing. See the bottle. As you can see, the vapor are coming out. So now, time for science. Actually, what happened? Now I will be telling you. Come here. Pump one time. Actually, we know that our air is have low density, so it go high above the water. As we know that air is compressible, so it started to compress, and it gave downward force to the water, so that the water started to begin going to upward direction. Okay, and we know that you are thinking that why we are using the water. We know that the Newton third law, every reaction has equal and opposite reaction. So the water hit with more force to the ground, so it go much above high in the sky. So let's try one more time. Go. Just a second. We have not fixed the nozzle tightly, and the water is wasted, so we will be filling it one more time. Don't fill more than the 1/4, so it will not be going much above in the sky. Let's try one more time. Go ahead. Pressurizing. See the bottle. It is gone on that proof. Now, if you like my video, then share it, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to like it. See you next time. Bye.